What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back from the video on this beautiful day, y'all. And I just got a bunch of wood chips, and I just want to talk about the greatness of these wood chips and what I'm gonna do with them to make my garden beautiful. Cutting down the tree ain't always a bad thing, y'all. There's all kind of good things you can get from cutting these trees down. And you know what those things are? I'm gonna show you. It's called wood mulch. Wood mulch is great for your trees. Puts back organic matter into the soil. You can't go wrong. All right, these are all the wood chips from that tree up front. We gotta go ahead and start using these before some start living in here. So let's go to work. All right, y'all. We gotta make this for all the fruit trees over here, y'all. Oh, this came from the tree up front. I know it's not diseased. I know it's a good tree. It's gonna be some good mulch. Good mulch.
When it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold.
All right, I just had to show y'all this because it's already starting to break down. That's fungi. Fungi. Yeah, that's good for the soil. And after one day, it's already heating up. See the steam? Of course you can't see the steam. I'm in the way. Trust me, it's there. It's there. All right. First off, I always hear people talking about, try to get the wood chips that are chips and don't get the one with all the leaves and stuff like that. No, buddy, these are the ones I like. Because all this breakdown, all this organic matter, man. This is what nature look like. Nature don't have fully mulch wood chips. They have a whole bunch of stuff. They got leaves in it, wood chip mulch. They got a whole bunch of stuff in here. All this stuff break down. This is just like nature. This is nature. This is what we need in our garden. It's all gonna break down, the sticks and everything. All this is gonna break down. Don't be scared of these sticks. Put all this in there. Now, I'm gonna show you how I'm using it. All right, the first way I'm using it, my gyro persimmon, I got it mulched heavy around my persimmon tree. And what that's gonna do is, when the winter get here, it's gonna keep all the roots warm and keep the roots thriving until summertime when it can give me some persimmons. So all this is gonna turn into compost for this tree. 2 years I won't need to fertilize this tree because all the fertilizer it needs is sitting right around the tree, breaking down. And no, these ain't finely broken down wood chips. It's just pieces of wood from the tree. That's what it is. All right, over here, I got my pear tree, got my figs in the ground, but I'm gonna wood chip this whole area, and it's gonna break down to soil, and eventually this will be my new garden bed. All these wood chips, I'm just gonna let them break down, feed the soil, plus kill out some of this grass. And this is gonna be some of the greatest soil you wanna have in about 2 years, y'all. I still got a bunch more over there, and I'm just gonna keep piling it on heavy and piling it on heavy until it breaks down the soil. And once it get the soil, I'm gonna start planting it. This is my permaculture dream. Wood chip everywhere. I can just drop seeds and they grow no matter where I put them at. Now, these are some of the wood chips that I bought. These are cypress wood chips, and that's some good stuff. But you can't beat the free stuff. You cannot beat the free stuff. Look here. This is real life. All of that is breaking down the soil. Living soil, fungi, mycorrhizae, you name it, it lives in here. And it's gonna make my plants great. All right, this is some of my fall planting. This is my pak choy. Now it's gonna get cold. Man, spread your wood chips all over here. Don't worry about them big pieces. I don't know why we so scared of big pieces. Plants are tough and resilient, or they're tough as you allow them to be. I'm gonna cover my containers. Now that's a little big. Now that's okay, that's a little big. But cover my containers with wood chips. And that's how we're gonna do it, y'all. All right, I'm also gonna use them under my fruit trees. There you go, get a little bit up. Don't leave your fruit tree butt naked out here, y'all. Don't do that. Cover them feeder roots at the top. Little feeder roots right there, cover them up a little bit. Don't smother them out, but cover them up a little bit. And that's what I'm doing with them, y'all. Wood chips has so many great uses. I got another one I want to show you. All right, y'all. We talked about everywhere we can put the wood chips. But another thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave them here. Probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches deep, and just let it break down. It might take 2 years. But this will be some of the greatest soil you will ever have in your garden. And see, can I dig a little bit up? Some places is already starting to break down. It's already got fungi in some of it. Obviously, I can't see it on camera now, y'all. But we're gonna let this stuff break down, break down, break down. We're gonna have soil. We ain't gonna have to go to Lowe's and look for busted bag no more. We're gonna have our own soil right here. All right, y'all, on the wrap up. Now, please understand, when you buying soil out of the store, it was broke down from something else. Wood chips, wood, whatever. Read the back of your potting soil and understand what that soil is made out of. And a lot of the things you can get for free to make your own potting soil, but you got to put the work in and you got to be patient. I was always told, if you don't have a lot of money, you got to have a lot of patience and a lot of hard work to achieve what you want. Money ain't the main contributor of a great garden. It's long distance thinking and figuring out and doing some research. It don't take money to be a hard worker, y'all. Stay in the garden.